the S's, and then one of my favourite parts of the track is called the Dipper. It used to be a lot steeper. You quite often see cars on two wheels coming down here. They get it wrong, bang, into that wall there. Now that big smashed up car that we've seen in that video down there happened here. So he's clipped this wall, he's gone bang, and he's shot off, he's hit that wall here, and then he's gone straight back into the wall there, up and over and onto the wall, right here, right there. This is Forest Elbow, probably the slowest corner on the track, but even still, 90 kilometres, 100 kilometres an hour. And into CONROD Straight. Slow down a bit, I think there might be a cop parked up there. Very well, buddy. Yeah, it is. He's parked right.
Yeah, there was one on the other side.
Yeah, it's the same one. But even if I didn't have a house in here, even that, something like that, you're gone. You're gone. Get him, copper. Yeah, he's jammed his fucking brakes on now, hasn't he? He's gone. Dash cam.
Listen, you know what? That is incredibly effective, I have to say. That was very... Our cops are not effective. These guys are doing their jobs. It's a sucky job, but...
Dash cam.